Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your wallpaper over on your iPhone. So you've probably noticed that when you head over into the settings app over on your iPhone and then you go to this wallpaper section right here, then when you add a wallpaper you just can't remove it. There's no way in order to do that through this wallpaper option. Luckily there's still an easy way in order to actually remove your wallpaper. What you can simply do is just swipe down like this, so you can basically go to your lock screen, and once you've done that you can simply just hold down your lock screen so you can basically find the collections of wallpapers you have. And then in order to actually delete a wallpaper, all you need to do is swipe up like this and this little garbage icon will pop up where you can click on, and then this wallpaper will be permanently deleted. So I click on delete this wallpaper and then it's basically gone and you will not be able to find it anymore. So that's how you can delete your wallpaper on iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.